Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the brand new blue alox C Rancher Swiss Army knife as it is here in my hand. This is the detail video on the blue version of this Swiss Army knife. As we see, it features the marlin spike sacking needle that is relative rare and mainly out of production. We also see that there is the big cutout milled into the handle, the aluminum handle, prior the anodizing. So that creates extra work that this big tool fits. It's a two-layer Swiss Army knife. One layer features the main blade and the sacking needle marlin spike. The other layer features the pruner blade and the big screwdriver, bottle opener and wire stripper feature. So it's relative compact, nice configuration, rather unusual. There were not many of those made. It's a collector's item, but I still hope that at least some of them get used as well. This one is a 93mm handle length, so it has the Swiss Army alox soldier style size. The main blade is as usually the pruner blade as well. Of course, the screwdriver part over here, that is on most of the alox knives. It's basically the sacking needle part here that is rather unusual. Those were used in Switzerland mainly by farmers to close up potato and other bags. They have like a burlap kind of bag where they stick this needle like part through it and then put in a thread, a bit of cord in it, and simply close the bag up. So that is long time gone. That's why the reason this feature, this sacking needle, is out of production as well. Some use it as a marlin spike as well. It may even work with a little bit wiggle as a C4 punch as well, but that is not the main purpose of this marlin spike or sacking needle. We see here on the detail also again how big the cutout is. If we look with this apocalypse green version, where we see how the shape is compared to the cutout here, we see how much got grinded and milled out. And yeah, that is how this blue version looks. We did also select a red color shield to further make it special looking and more appealing than a regular shield there. The tools fold of course nicely in. It's a compact knife as it is, with those two layers, easy to carry, easy to storage. And on this side we see the nail nicks from the screwdriver part. The pruner blade is here and the main blade are easy accessible, easy to open. On the other side, for open the marlin spike sacking needle, you grab mainly this part here, the eye of it, to open. The spring is not that hard, so it's really easy to open and to close. That was the detail video about the blue Alox Sea Rancher made by Victorinox as a limited edition for Swiss Bianco.